Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see how we can use if conditions in Copilot Studio. So let's consider a scenario. So, let me, yeah. For example, let's say we want to take a loan from bank. Okay. For that, generally assume we are taking a loan from a bank, and generally the bank provides loan in two categories. The first one would be for employees. Okay, so generally the rate of interest, the one the bank is giving is 5%. Okay, and similarly for their customers, okay, bank is giving loan of 7%. Okay, so we'll like exactly we'll create this scenario. So for that I will go to topic first. Okay, and let me click on topic. I'll click on add. I'll click on from blank, and the first thing is that I need to give a good name. Okay, so I can give show the rate of interest ROI. Okay, first thing is that I need to give a trigger. Okay, so I can say that my trigger is calculate rate of interest. Okay, and then I will ask a question to my users. Consider I'm a chatbot. Okay, so what I will do this ask a question here. Okay, I will ask a question to my user. What question I will ask? I will say, are you a bank employee or customer? Okay, so this is the phrase that I will populate here in my chatbot, and then here I can give the options. Okay, so the first option would be employee, and the second would be customer. Oh, let me again click here, customer. Alright, so guys, you see I created a multiple choice options here. Okay, I will simply ask either select one of these options. Okay, then I can give a good name here. By default it will give a name like var variable 1, variable 2, but I can say loan type. Let me give this name to my variable. Okay, and further here if you see automatically I'm getting some condition. Okay, now I change this loan type. If loan type is equals to employee, and if the loan, let me close this, and even I can close this as well. Let me click on edit topic again here. I don't want to leave. Yeah, alright. So here if you see automatically the conditions has been applied. Okay, now I can simply display a message here. Okay, so let me click on, oh I'm sorry, let me delete this. Okay, because now once the user will select either one option, if it will go employee, it will go to this. Then I can send a message. Okay, I can say, hi, you will get loan at rate of interest. How much I have put for employees? It's 5%, right? So employee. So I will simply display this message. See, we are still learning the basics. How we can utilize this. So that's why we are considering the small examples. So later on we'll build a overall a nice chatbot. So then here also I can use this send a message, and here I can say, hi, you will get loan at rate of interest, that is 7%. Here, let me change this load to loan. Alright, so I can save this. Let me save this, and then we are going to test this. Now, whenever you are testing, make sure to start a new session. Okay, I will click on this start a new session. Let me click edit again here. Here I will click on the start a new session. And one more thing, like, you make sure you are selecting this particular option. Okay, now I will trigger this particular topic. How can I do? I need to provide this phrase. You can enter multiple phrases here. Shouldn't be an issue. So I can say demo app lock. Oh, 1 second. I think I did something wrong here. Okay, let me go back to my that topic. Yeah, this one. This is the one that I have created. This was the one that we have created in our last video. So let me give the phrase and say calculate rate of interest. As soon as I will hit this, then this chatbot will ask me a question. Are you the bank employee or customer? I will say I'm an employee. Then as soon as I will click on this employee, then you see this getting highlighted. This get triggered, this condition matches, and then this simply provided us this message: hi, you will get a loan at a rate of 5%. Similarly, let me test it again. So I will say calculate rate of interest. This time I will choose customer. I will choose customer here, and then I will get a loan at a rate of 7%. So this is how you can use if conditions in your Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching this video.